My path has already been determined by the stars, and I must follow it. Stars fall from the skies, and new stars are born. The horse is a Kazakh's best friend. He is your wings. You are a descendant of Gengiz Khan, and now much is expected of you. I see sadness in your eyes, my son. You should look into my eyes. You would see an even greater sadness.
The fate of your whole nation. All Kazakhs will be living against their will.
Our hopes for uniting the Kazakh peoples have collapsed. And I have fallen in love with the same girl. Karal is my best friend. I love him as a brother.